CIET NCERT presents audiobook Bansuri, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5.
Page number 166. Chapter 19. My Dance and Your Dance. On the top left corner of the page is the image of hand gestures. On the top right corner of the page is given the QR code that can be scanned for more information and related material to this chapter. Activity 19.1. Dance in my backyard. Do you have a dance form of your region that you practice? Have you seen dancers perform your regional dance? You will now take a field trip to a regional dance practitioner and learn a dance from them. Note to teacher. Arrange a field trip to a regional dance practitioner or group. List some of their unique elements below. Name of the dance. Write the name in the blank. What is the costume worn while performing? Did you use any props? On what occasion is this dance performed? List the musical instruments used for the dance. Write the answers to all these questions in the spaces given. On the bottom right of the page is the image of a regional dance of India. Page number 167. Activity 19.2. Dance or dances of my neighboring regions. Discuss the folk dances of neighboring regions with your teacher and friends and list them. Decide on a dance you want to learn. Learn a neighbor's dance form with a workshop or from an artist. Once again, various dance forms from across India are depicted. The first one is Pahadi Nati from Himachal Pradesh. Beside it is the image of Yakshagan from Karnataka. Below that, the first image is of Bhavai dance from Rajasthan, and beside it is the image of Chhau dance which is practiced in Odisha and Jharkhand. Fill in the table comparing your dance and your neighbor's dance. The first column of the table lists the following: name, costume, main instrument, and props. The second column is titled My Regional Folk Dance. In this column, fill the name, the costume, main instrument, and props used in the regional folk dance of your region. The third column is titled Folk Dance from Another Region. In this column, write the name, the costume, the main instrument, and the props used in the dance form of the neighboring region. Page number 168. Activity 19.3. Finale. Present your regional dance or dances of neighboring region before the school. Just like in the images on this page, the children have performed various dance forms from across India. Page number 169. Formative assessment. Chapter 19. My Dance and Your Dance. The table mentions the curricular goals, competencies, and learning outcomes to be assessed by teacher and self. Curricular Goal 3. Competency 3.1. Learning outcome: interest shown to learn their regional dance. Curricular Goal 3. Competency 3.2. Learning outcome: collaborative effort given to present a dance. Curricular Goal 4. Competency 4.2. Learning outcome: actively discusses and learns dance or dances from neighboring regions. All these learning outcomes to be assessed by teacher and self. Teacher's observations to be mentioned in the blank space given. Other comments also to be noted in the blank space given. Page number 170. Summative assessment. The table gives the list of certain activities for individual summative assessment as well as group summative assessment. Dance. Individual. First, shows one movement combining arms, feet, and eyes. Second, shows an emotion of choice either in relation to your own experience or to nature with hand gestures. Activities for group assessment. Group to be divided into 4 or 5 groups. each group to show few lines of a dance form of India. Each group will pick a sense and show emotion connected to that sense, a sentence using hand gesture and postures. At the bottom of this page is an image of different children dancing happily and enthusiastically to music. The last 2 pages in your book are blank pages to write down notes that you make during your sessions. The chapter ends here.
Basuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5. Narration, Tripti Upadhyay. Sound recordist, Virendra Rawat. Production assistant, Chetna Sharma. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.